If you're a business owner looking for reliable cooling, you need the Daikin 5-ton AC. The Daikin DRC0603D000001S light commercial packaged air conditioner is your ultimate cooling solution. With a stellar 16.2 SEER2 rating, it's designed for maximum energy efficiency, saving you money in the long run. Installation is a breeze, whether on the rooftop or at ground level. Plus, its convertible airflow options, horizontal or downflow, offer unmatched flexibility. Built to last, this unit boasts a galvanized steel cabinet with UV-resistant paint, ensuring durability in all weather conditions. And with advanced components like a high-efficiency scroll compressor and copper tube aluminum fin coils, you're guaranteed top-notch performance. Maintenance is a cinch, keeping your downtime and costs to a minimum. And let's not forget the peace of mind that comes with a 5-year warranty on functional parts. Ready to elevate your cooling game? Choose Daikin. Invest in reliability, efficiency, and comfort. Get cool and stay cool with Daikin.